It turns out that those facilities that have really bad records, like Continuing Healthcare of Toledo, turns out that those facilities often have many more COVID-19 cases. Medicare.gov compiles nursing home health inspection reports for the last 3 years. Facilities are rated with stars, 1 for the worst, 5 for the best. Continuing Healthcare has had 44 infections and 31 state citations, something it blames on previous owners. Ohio has required nursing homes to report COVID-19 cases and deaths since April 15th.
If you're thinking about taking a loved one, or if you're thinking about going to a nursing home, you have every right to know what the situation is there.
I looked at the health inspection ratings of the Lucas County facilities that initially reported outbreaks. 7 of the 20 facilities had a 1-star inspection rating, putting them in the bottom 20% of Ohio nursing homes. The average score for the 20? 1.9 stars. They have racked up 258 citations. An employee of Park Terrace reached out to 11 Investigates with concern. She asked us to conceal her identity, but she showed us her positive COVID-19 test result.
I'm just terrified for my own life. I just don't feel safe.
The employee says she has seen numerous cases of unprofessional behavior, and she has no doubt that that has played into the 40 infections at the facility.
Don't send your family members there. If you want them to survive, just don't send your family members there. Seriously. Because I wouldn't send mine there.
Park Terrace has 17 health citations on its reports, twice the state average. In a statement, the facility listed several steps it has taken to slow the infections, including checking residents 3 times a day for signs of illness and adding that their employees take an oath to care for their vulnerable population. Detroit has battled COVID-19 in its nursing home. Dr. Tina Chopra, an infectious disease expert in the city, says many nursing homes across the country share the same hurdles.
They don't have epidemiologists and infection control practitioners that we have in our big academic centers. They don't have anybody to guide them what is to be done if you are sick.
But an inspector couldn't even determine how well nurses' aides had been doing their jobs at Franciscan Care Center. A report showed no annual reviews were being done for the aides. The inspector also cited the facility for infection control issues. Now that facility has a 1-star inspection rating and has reported 65 infections. It told us in a statement that it's been working on improving its infection control.
As we look at this data, it's not a blame game.
We don't want to blame either, but we do want to know why Lucas County has so many nursing home deaths. In a May 20th report, the county listed 121 deaths since April 15th. We did a public records request, and the county revealed that there are actually 11 more deaths before April 15th.
The nursing homes have been a concern. I think throughout the country they've been a concern. Any place that you have individuals that are in that type of setting, shelters and things of that nature are truly a concern that you have to watch. Just got off the phone with a couple of the nursing homes just a little while ago, and we know once it gets in there, it's hard to stop.
That has been the case at Lakes of Monclova and Maumee. The alarming numbers have climbed to 107 infections of residents and staff, including 34 deaths. But it is not the facility's first viral outbreak. In an inspection report from last year, the facility was cited for failing to timely report a stomach flu outbreak that affected 38 residents and staff. The first case was March 1st, but the spread wasn't reported until March 19th. Lakes of Monclova did not respond to a request for comment from 11 Investigates. On April 27th, Lucas County announced that it would be providing tests for all 6,000 county nursing home residents and staff.
We just felt that we needed to do something for our community to be able then to say, here you go, here's the tool, we got this for you. It's up to you now to use it the right way.
Some facilities have done widespread testing on their own, but only 1,516 of the county tests have actually been administered. The danger of not testing all residents is that the infected who are asymptomatic could be unknowingly infecting others, something Health Commissioner Ben Beatty believes has happened in Wood County. 80% of the county's deaths are in its nursing homes.
We can screen people for, do you have a fever or are you having any of these symptoms today? And they may, answer all of those questions. No, I'm good to come in and work today, but they potentially still could be carrying that virus. And so that's how it can kind of sneak in.
But infection hasn't snuck into more than half of the county nursing homes. But of the 24 Lucas County nursing homes with COVID-19 cases and Medicare.gov ratings, only one is rated better than average. To see a listing of Lucas County nursing homes with COVID-19 cases, along with health inspection ratings, go to WTUL.com. Reporting, Brian Duggar, WTUL 11.